In this short tutorial, you will learn how to enable cross-site tracking in Safari. Cross-site tracking is a feature that allows websites to exchange information about your browsing behavior across various websites. By enabling this feature, websites can create a more personalized browsing experience for you by sharing data about your interests and preferences. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see Safari. Tap on it. After that, scroll down until you see a section called Privacy and Security. To enable cross-site tracking on your iPhone, simply toggle off the switch next to the Prevent Cross-Site Tracking option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.